This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can add or replace a website logo for your hosting a website builder. First, I go to Hostinger. I click on that. I click on the first link. Now, I log in using my Gmail account. I enter the code and click on verify. Now, the Hostinger C panel has been opened. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. Now, I scroll down and you can see the first three websites are built using the WordPress sites, and the last one is built using Hostinger website builder. So I click on the edit website. Here you can see my website and I click on the header. I click on the logo and here you can see in the header settings you can change layout, elements and logo. I click on the logo and I click on replace image. Here in the media library you can change the logo. Here I click on this image and select. Now the logo has been changed and I scroll down and you can change the logo width. In this case I set the logo width as 117 pixels. Now you can change also the style for your header. I click on save. Now I click on preview and this is how our website looks after the logo has been changed. Now I go back to the editor and click on update website. Now our website changes are successfully published. I click on visit site and this is how our site looks after the update. Thank you.